Homeownership embodies the American dream, offering not just a place to live, but also a significant financial asset. However, with the rise of digital transactions, this dream has become vulnerable to a modern-day menace: home title fraud. This type of fraud, often referred to as house stealing by the FBI, has become a growing concern for property owners across the United States. Home Title Lock emerges as a beacon of hope, providing comprehensive TripleLock protection, monitoring, alerts, and restoration to shield homeowners from this insidious crime. Home title fraud is a sophisticated scam where criminals forge documents to claim ownership of your property, then proceed to borrow against it or sell it, leaving you in a financial and legal quagmire. The alarming part is that without proactive monitoring, you might not discover the fraud until significant damage has been done. Home Title Lock has designed a robust defense mechanism against title fraud, aptly named TripleLock Protection. Here's how it works. Home Title Lock's vigilant monitoring system keeps an eye on your property title around the clock, detecting any unauthorized changes or suspicious activity. This constant surveillance acts as the first line of defense against title fraud. In the event of any changes to your home's title, Home Title Lock immediately alerts you, providing you with the opportunity to take swift action. These timely notifications are crucial for preventing potential fraudsters from succeeding in their schemes. Should you fall victim to title fraud, Home Title Lock's restoration services step in to rectify the situation. Their team of experts, including legal professionals, work diligently on your behalf to restore your title, navigating through the complexities of reclaiming your property rights. Across the nation, homeowners have felt the impact of title fraud, from elderly citizens fighting to keep homes they've lived in for decades to new homeowners discovering their titles have been compromised. Home Title Lock has been instrumental in alerting property owners to fraudulent activities, offering a lifeline to those who might have otherwise faced insurmountable losses. Home Title Lock's TripleLock Protection equips you with the necessary tools to guard against this growing threat, ensuring that your property and your peace of mind are well protected. Furthermore, by monitoring any unauthorized attempts to tamper with your property's title or forge ownership documents, Home Title Lock provides real-time alerts, enabling you to take swift action against potential fraud. This proactive defense mechanism not only prevents fraudulent claims and unauthorized loans against your property, but also significantly reduces the risk of losing your home to scammers.